Whew, it's cold. Got a lot of snow over the last couple days, but is it fake? I've seen some pretty amazing videos of people saying that this snow is fake, it won't melt, and it turns black. Let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, it's turning dark. And my lighter's out, even though it's a brand new lighter. It's just disappearing. It's just disappearing. I don't see any water. Oh no, but now I see smoke. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Why could that be? Well, if this was complete combustion, you would get carbon dioxide and water vapor. However, you almost never get complete, perfect combustion. So you get a little bit of black carbon or soot that comes out of the flame as well. We can actually see the same effect on a stainless steel pot, assuming this lighter is not too cold to flame. Stainless steel, same lighter, and of course it's too cold. There we go. Gotta block the wind a little bit. Flame keeps going out, of course. Almost there. You can see a little bit of black getting there from all the incomplete combustion. Yeah, there we go. Incredible. Same thing. So, not fake snow, not plastic snow, although there's a very high chance that there's plastic in it, which is a whole other video. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We're quickly on our way to 11 bajillion subscribers or whatever, so, you know, push some buttons or something.